Assalamu alaikum. We're looking at Q Skills Listening and Speaking and Book 3 Listening and Speaking. We're looking at Unit 2 and it's on page 30 of Unit 2. So we're looking at the Listening and Speaking, Unit 2, page 30. So here's the listening skill on page 30. So the listening skill, it's about causes and effects. Okay, what is a cause and what is an effect? The cause is something that makes something happen, and the effect is what actually happens. So for example, this is a flower, and the flower grows. The flower is growing. That's the effect. What's the cause? Why did the flower grow? Because bi'idhnillah, the rain fell, and because the rain fell, the effect was that the flower grew. So the cause is why it happened, and the effect is what happened. So when you're listening to someone talking about causes and effects, you need to listen to keywords or special words, and if you hear these words, they're called linking words. If you hear these words, you will understand that the person who's speaking, they're talking about cause and effect. So here are the words that you will hear people use. The first word is because. So look at this sentence. I rarely cook because I'm tired when I get home. So this is the effect. This is what happens. I rarely cook. Rarely, if you remember, always, usually, often, sometimes, hardly ever, rarely, never. So it's just above never, about 25%, maybe 10%. So I rarely cook food. Why is the cause? I am tired when I get home. So to link the effect clause and the cause clause or part of the sentence, we use this word because. And another word that has the same meaning as because is since. So since we usually eat at home, why do you usually eat at home? It's so expensive to eat out these days, to eat at the restaurant these days. So the effect, what happens? We usually eat at home. Why? Because it's expensive, since it's so expensive. So the word since has the same meaning as the word because. You hear someone use this word, they're talking about the effect and the cause. Another word you can use is the word as, and again it has the same meaning as because and as since. So this sentence, I never buy fish. So this is what happens. I never buy fish. Why does it happen? I don't know how to cook fish. I don't know how to cook it. I never buy fish as I don't know how to cook it. I never buy fish as I don't know how to cook it, because I don't know how to cook it, since I don't know how to cook it. It's the same meaning for all of these words. Here is another sentence. The pasta tasted terrible. Terrible, if you remember, it means very bad. The taste of the pasta was a bad taste. It didn't taste good, so we didn't eat it. So here they've changed the effect and the cause around. In these three sentences we have the effect first. In this sentence we have the cause first. So the effect, what actually happened? We didn't eat the pasta. Why didn't you eat the pasta? This is the cause. Why didn't you eat the pasta? We didn't eat the pasta because it tasted terrible. So the pasta tasted terrible, so we didn't eat it. So again, we're linking the cause and the effect with this word so. There are some other words we can use to link cause and effect. So look at this sentence here. Due to her good diet, and diet is the way that you eat, how you eat. So due to her good diet, Lena is very healthy. Healthy means you have a good body or a good mind, but here it means you have a good body. So due to her good diet, Lena is very healthy. The effect, she is healthy. Why is she healthy? The cause, she has a good diet. So we're using this phrase due to and it means the same as this phrase, because of her good diet. Due to her good diet, she is very healthy. Because of the high calories. Calories is like the amount of energy in the food that you have. So because of the high calories, I never eat chocolate. So this is what you do, this is what happens, this is why it happens, because of the high calories. And this is the linking word, this is the word the speaker will use. Because of the high calories, I never eat chocolate. Due to her good diet, Lena is very healthy. Due to the high calories, I never eat chocolate. So you can use either of these phrases. Here they're saying that the phrases due to and because of, we use them before noun phrases. So her good diet, this is a noun phrase. We're talking about the diet. The high calories, so this is a noun phrase. Calories is a noun. High is the adjective. Calories is the noun. Diet is the noun. Good is the adjective. So this is a noun phrase. This is again a noun phrase, and we use these phrases due to, because of, before the noun phrase. The other words, because, since, as, and so, we use it before either part of the sentence. So we can use it before effect, or we can use it before the cause. So here, between the effect and the cause. This word, between the effect and the cause. And here, and here. These two phrases, due to, because of, it's not between the effect and the cause. We use them before the noun part of the sentence. Let's look at the examples. Okay, so this is the activity. So we're going to listen to these 4 sentences, and we want to listen to what they say here, and we'll complete the sentence with what we hear. So let's listen to the first example.
1.
Since Dr. Al Dosari is a nutrition expert, Hamad interviewed him on his radio show.
Okay, so the first one, they said since. Since Dr. Al Dosari is a nutrition expert, Hamad interviewed Dr. Al Dosari on his radio show. Remember the cause and the effect. So what is the cause? This is the cause. He's a nutrition expert. And what's the effect? What happened? Hamad interviewed him on his radio show. Okay, let's listen to number 2.
2.
Eating a lot of cheese isn't good because of the large amount of salt.
Okay, eating a lot of cheese isn't good, and she said because of the large amount of salt. There's too much salt in cheese, so they're saying eating a lot of cheese isn't good. I'm not sure I agree with this sentence. I think eating cheese is good, but anyway, let's carry on. Number 3.
3.
Because Hamad stopped drinking soda, he feels much healthier now.
Okay, because Hamad stopped drinking soda, he feels much healthier now. So he feels healthier now. This is the effect. Why does he feel healthier now? Because he stopped drinking soda. So this is the cause. Soda is a drink with gas inside, for example 7-Up, Pepsi, something like this. So he stopped drinking soda. It has a lot of sugar. This is the cause. The effect, he feels much healthier now. Okay, and the final example.
4.
Hamad also wants to lose weight, so he's following Dr. Al Dosari's suggestions.
Okay, so Hamad also wants to lose weight, so he's following Dr. Al Dosari's suggestions, his ideas, the doctor's ideas. You should do this, you shouldn't do this. He's following the ideas, he's listening to the ideas. So again, in this sentence, the cause and the effect. So the effect is that he's following the suggestions, and what's the cause of him following the suggestions? The cause is that he wants to lose weight. He wants to decrease his weight. And you have some more practice online. So if you go to the website, go to the Unit 2 practice, go to the listening skill, causes and effects, and listen to each question and choose the correct answer. After you choose the correct answer, you can check your answers, see if your answers were right. So I hope this video helped you. It's about causes and effects and the words that people use. When they use these words, you know they are talking about causes and effects. Thank you for listening, and I hope you benefited from this video.